Today's video is a little bit different. We're going to Bogies again, but we're going to shadow a band who runs sound themselves from the stage. I've had to do it a few times in my band, but I'm curious how other bands handle it. Well, hello there, Mr. Bear. This stage is always a challenge. It's super wide, but very narrow. They will be piggybacking into the House X32 console, which feeds these JBL tops, and I haven't heard this system in quite a while. Normally Matt brings his own RCF stuff, so it'll be interesting to hear. And the subs are QSC 181s. The band is here and they're starting to set up their stage. This is Mike, and he's the one running sound from the stage, and we are going over how he's going to be doing it. He's going to be using in-ear monitors for most of the night, but he'll pull one in and out to listen to what's happening. The band has been playing for many, many years. In fact, they're actually in the Nebraska Hall of Fame. Since I don't really have to worry about hooking up anything for the band, I'm going to help them unload. Now this freaked me out a little bit. I was like, how did that dolly not fall off of there? So when I hopped on the stage and I looked at it, I realized it's just wheels on the bottom and there's a handle on the back of the cab. Now for a lot of people, this would be pretty heavy, but since I worked out once in high school, this was no problem. Mike is explaining to me the setup they're going to be using. They're running their X32 rack into input 1 of the house mixer. Let's check out some of the rig. Here's the pedals for the guitar player, who's Mike. He's going to be running out of this Fender amp. And he's going to be using the P16 to adjust volumes for his in-ears. You know what's better than one Telecaster? 2 Telecasters. He also had a really nice Mike Campbell signature guitar that for some reason I didn't get video of. The giant refrigerator is going to be powered by this Ampeg, and he is also using a P16. Here we have the drummer's kit, some fancy cymbals. He's running an Electro Voice inside his kick, and then a few Sennheisers, and a D6 on his floor tom. One overhead mic, and then one right under the hi-hat and the ride to try to capture both of them. He runs all the drum mics into a QSC mixer, which then goes to the X32. And then he uses the P16 to monitor the other instruments. We have dual keyboards, which he runs into a setup that controls 2 different sets of speakers. He has speakers for just his keys, and then he has speakers for just vocals and the rest of the band. The singer will be using a powered wedge. The house mixer will get a line out from this SD16. Now I haven't heard these house speakers in a couple years. I'm curious how they hold up. And it just wouldn't be a sound gig unless you encountered some problems. Right now, the subwoofers kind of sound like garbage, and we're trying to figure out why. It looks like somebody in the past must have changed input 1 to have an EQ on there, and that EQ was just getting rid of all that low end. So, it's fixed. So here comes the tough part. He has to do sound for his own instrument and for the band and try to get it all leveled out right before the show starts. It can be pretty stressful. And here we go. Time for the show to start. And there we go. What do you think? Can you run sound from the stage? The obvious answer is yes, you can. The hardest part is that it's already tough being a guitar player and a singer and trying to remember all those parts. But then when you add that you have to be aware of the sound for the audience the entire time, it can be a little stressful for you. So for me, I just wanted to focus on being a player, and so our band started baking in that price when we booked venues, or we would just take a slight pay cut so that I didn't have to worry about it and I could just play. Everybody's different and every band is different, so if it doesn't stress you out like it stressed me out, you can obviously run the sound from the stage. Hats off to Mike for pulling off a great night. Thank you for joining me in this video, and I'll see you at the next gig.